So if you have some rust on your garden tools, just like this, and sometimes even worse, I'm going to show you how to clean them. I left these outside and they got a little rusty. So I'm going to show you what I use to clean my garden tools. This is what you call 4/0 steel wool. You can find this at Home Depot, Lowe's, even Walmart will have it. So you will need this. And you will need some avocado oil. You don't have to use a spray, that's just what I had. And then you'll need a napkin or a towel or something like that. So whenever you go to spray this, you can spray it directly onto the tools, or you can spray it onto the napkin and then wipe the excess off. Now, get that out of the way. And what I'm gonna do is grab you some of that 4/0 steel wool, or you can get 2/0 or double-0 steel wool. And double-0 is a little bit more coarse, which is not going to, it's still not going to hurt the surface of the tool that you're trying to get the rust off of. So as you can see, there's not a lot happening, and that's okay. So continue. Keep going. And some of this staining that you see is from a plant that I had propagated from a cutting, and apparently it does not like steel, and that's what I ended up with, a very dark stained garden tool. So that's close. Just make sure you don't hold this and try to clean at the same time, because you will get yourself, I've done it a couple times, had to lock it. There you go. And now I'm going to use this avocado spray. I'm going to take it off to the side right quick. Alright, so I just sprayed it. As you can see, it's really glossy, and I hadn't done any of the, I haven't moved it or anything like that, so I just sprayed it and brought it over here. So, as you can see, got plenty of it on there. Let's do this a couple times, just to make sure you work some of the avocado oil into the tool itself and wipe it off. I'll show you the next one. Now what I'm gonna do next is take the avocado oil and spray the actual 2/0 steel wool and clean it that way. Not much, you don't need much. That way, whenever you are cleaning, it's already being oiled for the most part, and all you gotta do is wipe it off. As you can see, it's pretty clean versus that one. We'll clean this one. Close it. This is on the top. There you go. Put some pressure on it. Oops. I'll do the other side the same way. Alright, so once you get all that done, take it. There's no need to put any extra on there unless you are putting it right here. Which, let me just do that real quick. Just one quick little spray. Wasn't even much, I just barely pressed it. And there you go, that should be good. There you go. 2 clean garden tools. and you're ready to go. Don't leave them outside.